Chapter 12. The next planet was inhabited by a drinker. This visit was very short, but she plunged the little prince into a great melancholy. "What are you doing here?" he said to the drinker, whom he found installed in silence, before a collection of empty bottles and a collection of full bottles. "I drink," replied the drinker, with a lugubrious air. "Why do you drink?" asked the little prince. "To forget," replied the drinker. "To forget what?" inquired the little prince, who already pitied him. "To forget that I am ashamed," confessed the drinker, lowering his head. "Shame on what?" inquired the little prince, who wished to succor him. "Shame on you to drink," finished the drinker, who locked himself up in silence. And the little prince left, puzzled. Big people are definitely very bizarre, he told himself during the trip.